Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can create event boxes like this into your Elementor page. You can see I have added this event boxes there, and also under it I have this book now button. So to create it I have to add an add-on plugin for Elementor, which is called Unlimited Elements for Elementor add-on plugin. So let's log into your dashboard and install the plugin. Now here first of all you have to install a plugin. So go to your plugins and click on add new. Now here in the search bar search unlimited elements. Here you can see the unlimited elements for Elementor add-on plugin. It has more than 100,000 plus active installations. I have already installed and activated it. As soon as you will activate it, it will take you to its settings. So let's go to its settings. In the menu sidebar you can see the unlimited elements tab. You can click on the widgets to go to its settings. Now this is the settings page of the plugin. Here you have the list of the widgets that you have to install first, and then you can use them in the Elementor page builder. So here I will search for event box. Here you can see this event box widget. When you install a new plugin, then you will find an install button over this widget. So click on this install button and then you can use this widget in the Elementor page builder. I have already installed this widget, so I will directly go to Elementor page builder and show you how to create it from scratch. Now here on my Elementor page builder, first of all I will design the section layout. For this I will add a new section with 3 columns. I will change its height to fit to screen. Now I will copy this design. So here I have added a gradient color in the section background. So for this I will go to my section and go to style. Here for the background I will select gradient. Now I will change the colors. I will select color using an extension and I will paste it here. Now I will go back there and choose this color. Now I will copy this color and I will paste it in the second color. Now it will look like that. I will change the angle to 230, so it will look like that. Spread, I will change the location a little bit like that. I will make it 75, so it will look like that. Now in the first column I will add an heading widget. Copy this heading and I will paste it here. Now I will go to style and here in the typography, first of all in the color I will change the color to white, and in the typography I will add size to 50 pixels and I will change its weight to 700. Now I will go to widgets and drag in and text editor widget. Now I will go to style. You can change this content, but I am leaving it to the default. I will change its color and here I will just change its font family to Alata. Now I will add event boxes widget here. So I will click on this plus button and search for event box. Here you can see the event box widget. It also has the logo of unlimited elements on it. Now I will drag this widget into the column. Here you have two different layouts. You can use overlay layout. So this layout shows you image, and when you hover over it, it will show you the other content. But I will use the regular. Now here I will choose an image from my media library. I'll select this image and click on insert media. Now here you can change the content. So I will go to my page and I will copy this title and I'll paste it here. I am leaving the text to the default, and here in the button I will change it to book now. Here you can change the date and the month. Also you can use this popular badge here, but I am not want to use this badge there, so I will just delete this text and this badge will disappear like that. Here you have also this footer. You can also delete it by deleting the text here. Now the box will look like that. Here is the layout. In the layout you can show or hide anything from there. You can show or hide this calendar. I will hide it. Here is the badge placement, but I have already deleted the badge, so I will not use it. Here you can show or hide title and text, also for the footer and button and footer text. I will hide the footer text just. And here is the items. In the items you can change this location, date and time. So I will leave them to the default. You can use them as your choice, and also you can change the icons. Now I will go to style. Now let's take a look on the template. As you can see, I have this angled line. For this I will go to there, and here in the image shape I will make it right diagonal. Now you can see angled image was appear. Now here you can change the box border, but I will leave it to the default. You can add the box radius. I will make it 15. Also you can change the image highlight like that, but I will leave it to the default. Here is the box content. You can change the padding of this content, but I will leave it to the default. You can change the calendar style, but I haven't used the calendar there. Here it has some settings like vertical alignment, horizontal alignment, margin. Here you have the border width and the calendar width, and here is the title settings. You can change the color and typography. I will just go to typography and increase the size to 30. I will also increase its weight to 700. Now I will go to list, and I will align this list to the start, so it will appear here, and I will also change its color to black. Here you can also change its padding. On top I will make it 15. Now here you have button settings. You can change the button background color, also text color and color on hover, but I will leave it to default. Just I will add 10 pixels of the radius, so it will look like that. Now I will add box shadow. For this I will go to their box settings, and here you can see the box shadow. I will enable it. I will increase the blur to 40 and also spread. Here you will make it 15, so it will look like that. Now take a look on the template. You can see I have used 2 event boxes there, so I will go back and I will add an event box here. For this I will copy this event box and paste in the second column. Now first of all I will change the image. I'll select this image and click on insert media. Now I will change the title, so I will go to template and copy the title, and I'll paste it here. Now I will change this date. For this I will collapse this one and go to items, and here on the date I will change it to 20. Now it will look like that. Now one thing in remaining on the template, you can see I have this popular badge. So for this I will go back to general, and here in the badge I will just type the popular and this badge will appear here. Now you can see the popular badge over there. Now I am done with that. Now I will update the page. After updating the page I will click on this I button to preview the changes. Now here is your event boxes. You can see this book now button, title, the diagonal shape images and the popular badge over there. That's how you can add event boxes into your Elementor page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.